If you're just joining our Husky family vlog as we try to move across Asia, the fluffy horde is in western China. We've just conquered Xinjiang and entered Gansu Province. Now, in the next episode, we're going to show you how much of the Great Wall of China you get to see when you're traveling with two Huskies, but we have some Gobi Desert to cross first. And when you're on a road trip with two large dogs and you've spent the last month in hotel rooms, what do you do first? You let them out of the car, even if you're in the middle of the Gobi Desert.
To James, it's a fine motorbike, make a girl feel special in such a light. Said James, the Red Marley, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. Corners and the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color schemes. When they pulled her on behind, they went down to Box Hill, made it right. Molly, here's a ring for your right hand, but I will tell you in honest, I'm a dangerous man. Was I fought with the law since I was 17, and I robbed many men to get my Vincent machine. And I turned 21 and I might make 22, but I don't mind dying if it's for the love of you. Oh, but if fate, oh, should break my stride, I'm gonna give you my Vincent ride. Sergeant McCree would have taken young James for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest, left nothing inside. Oh, come down to his dying bedside. When they brought him to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. Oh, but his smile, oh, to see her cry, you said, I'm gonna give you my Vincent.
I don't understand Chinese. This is Cody.
Cody?
This is Junie.
Junie. Ah. 你看这个那个，你看正经的哈，一共就是你看啊，你看一下。
Say James, the Red Marley, there ain't nothing in this world beats a 52 Vance and a red-headed girl. Now breezes in mountains and Indians won't do. Boy, that don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. Oh, and he reached for a hand and he gave her the key. He said, I have no further use for these. I see angels and Arios and leather and chrome swooping down from heaven and carry me home. I give her one last kiss. Oh, then he died. Said, I'm gonna give, 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 I'm gonna give my Vincent a ride.
Rolling like a freight train through the night. I can't get your scent up off my skin. I'm a loser, girl, I'm a little short on sight. I wish I knew just how to treat you right. Oh, I need some medicine. I feel your body next to him. I lock like lovers in the night. I better prepare for another hard drinking night. What will whiskey do? It won't make things right. Well, I better get my gun. Is that how the West was won? Is that just what I become? I surely like to think it ain't my fault. How can I blame anybody else? I'm a fuck-up girl, it's how I live my life. I wish I knew just how to treat you right. Walk the bars and avenues where there's no drinking away these blues. Pieces tied like wrecking balls. Can't control myself or what I say or what I do. Shall I end it all? Well, it won't bring me back to you. Well, I better get my gun. Is that how the West was won? Is that just what I become? Train rolling off the track. Anything to get you back. I'm rolling like a freight train through the night. I can't get your scent up off my skin. Well, I better get my gun. Is that how the West was won? Is that just what I become? Well, I better get my gun. Is that how the West was won? Is that just what I become? Hey.
Alrighty, this is our first Husky letting go expedition
China.
in China. Well, it's not our first time letting them go in China, but it's our first time letting them go outside of town. And it should have been our first time letting them go. We can't see them, which means we're having a good time. It wasn't that hard to find this place. We just... Where are they? Let's see them. Oh, yeah, look at them. They're just moffiting away over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. Okay. Let them go. Just letting them go.
There's 2 weeks of road ahead now. 3 days I've passed along. Well, I'm a long way from California. Gasoline, a guitar, and a song. It's a devil's dream that dives by the dozen. Pay my dues in the sweat and the beer and the lights. There's highs and lows and everything in the middle. Keep my warm and better get my money right. Every night, every day, I'm alone. There's good nights and there's wicked ones. Under the shadow, well, I disappear. There's 2 cowboys cackling in the corner. Close my eyes, gonna check on out of here. There's another town to take in the morning. No time for tears, no waiting for the wounds to dry. But I'll leave it all in the rearview mirror. Put the pedal to the metal till the early morning light. Every night, I'm alone. Every night, every day, oh, I get stoned. I need dinner in a room in a dark saloon. Hell, that's half my money spent. I got plans and schemes and hopes and dreams, but the dreams don't pay the rent. Well, it hurts to be alone. Baby, baby, boy, gonna dream me home tonight. Get my family on the phone. Come on, woman, breathe me home tonight. Every night, every day, I'm alone. Every night, every day, I get stoned. Every night, every day, I'm alone.
You ain't got time to tell me how you feel. By this time tomorrow I'll be out of Bakersfield. Just like that horse steady running down the track. You know I won't be coming back. I keep it moving down 75, just like I've been doing for my entire life. And if I win, gon' have to give my baby some. You know that woman, she ain't done. Can't stop till my work is done. Run, horse. Run, horse, run. Yeah! dealer, pass the cards around. See trouble coming because I know that sound. Lovers, they will quit you, a thief will rob you blind. Good friends are awful hard to find. Can't stop till my work is done. Run, horse. Run, horse, run. Yeah! Can't stop till my work is done. Run, horse. Run, horse, run. Giddy up. I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20. I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance, first lovely lady that I see. And when our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20. I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna find me a game of hold 'em if I can, and fold 'em all night long till I got me a hand. I'm gonna buy us a ranch with a palomino herd, and I won't mean no harm, baby, and I won't say a word. When misery comes to call, I'll give to him my life. I'll sit with him a while and share my horse, my home, my wife. I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20. I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance, first lovely lady that I see. And when our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20, but I'll probably just drink it down.